Brewster's hobby.
Wilson, Brewster, and Koko to platform 1, please.
Hi, Bee. We're ready to roll.
Morning, you three. Today, as part of your training, you're going to be picking up and delivering building supplies.
Building supplies. Hooray!
Go to the building site and the foreman will tell you what he needs you to do.
Okay, V.
Watch for your tunnel color.
Red, green, yellow, blue, yellow! Let's ride the rail!
Morning, trainees.
Morning! Hi! What are you building today?
The long wall.
Cool! So what do you need?
Let's see. Could you get me another 3 loads of bricks?
Yeah, I'm big and strong.
Wilson, why don't you get a load of gravel?
Yeah, I like the way it rattles and clatters and bounces around.
And that leaves 4 loads of sand for you, Koko.
Trintastic! Choo-choo!
All right, let's get to work.
Wow.
What's so wow about that, Brewster?
I've never seen anybody throw a clipboard in the air before.
You're weird.
No, I'm not. It's my new hobby. People spotting.
People spotting?
Yeah, you have to spot them doing different things. It's fascinating. It is. I'll prove it to you.
All right.
You've got something on your face, Pete.
Hey, stop!
Rattle and rivets! Whoa!
Sorry, you almost rode off with my best polishing cloth.
Hey, I wondered what was tickling me.
Did you see Lori? Does that count as a spot?
Yeah, as long as it's someone doing something that you haven't seen before.
Yeah, I've never seen Lori chase Puff Pete like that.
Congratulations, Wilson. You're officially a spotter.
Come on, I want to find something else I haven't seen. Let's ride the rails!
Okay, Koko has more to do than us, so we have lots of time for spotting. Look, he's got some funny moves. See? That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, he turned really red. You're right, this is fun.
I like watching people. They do some really strange things.
Woohoo! So that was my second spot.
Yeah, I've seen him do it before, so it doesn't count for me.
Show me something else, please.
See? You're hooked.
I've got a job to do. Chugga chugga choo choo. You two better hurry up. I'm way ahead.
Yeah, I'll be right behind you. Hey, do you know what Emery has?
Big buffers?
No, people. Let's see if they're doing anything interesting.
Huh?
Hi, Emery.
Hello. What you doing?
Nothing.
Huh?
Whoopsie.
Nah, nothing to spot.
Weird.
We better make our deliveries.
Don't worry, we have lots of time. Do you want to know what the spotting rules are?
Well, okay.
Follow me. Rule number 1, find a good place to watch from.
Then what?
Shh, then wait quietly.
Oh. Spotted you!
Whoa!
Oops.
Try not to scare people, Wilson.
Got it. Sorry, Morgan.
That's okay. No harm done.
But that counts, doesn't it? I mean, I've never seen Morgan drop his toolbox before.
Yeah, I suppose.
Woohoo! Spot number 3. I'm on a roll! Oh. Ooh, I have an idea! Hey, Eddie, can you do a handstand? Or, ooh, I know! A chicken impression!
What?
Don't worry, Eddie. Rule number 2. You can't ask someone to do something, Wilson. That's cheating.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
A sneeze? Honking horns! I've never spotted someone sneezing.
Nope, gone.
Oh.
I hope I'm not getting a cold. Oh.
Koko, what happened to the other two? We can't build a wall just with sand.
Don't worry, they're on their way. Spot number 9! Hooray! Wait till I tell Koko. We better get going. Bouncy, rattly, clattery. It tickles.
Okay, I've got all the bricks. Let's go. Ooh, I'll tell you some more rules on the way. Rule number 3. You must stay alert at all times. You never know when you might see something really cool.
Okay.
Whoops!
Hey, I spotted Morgan slipping over.
Honking horns.
And you didn't.
Good one, Wilson.
Yeah, I was built to be a spotter. That makes 10 spots. Hey, that's 2 more than you, Brewster. I'm really good at this.
Beginner's luck, that's all.
No, I'm the best pupil spotter ever.
No, you're not. I am.
You're not. Are not.
Okay, why don't we decide once and for all? First to see, Eddie sneezing is a champion spotter.
I accept. Hi, Koko. Bye, Koko. Oh, there you are. Wait! You're gonna be in big trouble if you don't start doing your delivery.
Ba-ba-ba-ba, boo-boo, dee-dee-dee-dee. Ah! Oh! You scared me. What are you doing?
Train tracks.
Why are you staring at me? Do I have something on my face?
No.
You two are acting really weird. See ya.
Wait, Eddie, don't you want to?
Wilson and Brewster to Platform 1 urgently.
Uh-oh.
I got a call from the building site foreman.
Oh,
He's worried that something might have happened to you.
Oh, no, we're fine. We've just been people spotting. It's our new hobby.
Do you mean you've been playing instead of doing your training? Thanks to you, the only thing they can build at the moment is a sand castle. The foreman's not very happy. You've really held them up.
Sorry, V. It's my fault. We were having a competition to spot Eddie sneezing.
Sneezing?
Yeah, but he's been taking forever.
Hobbies are rewarding, trainees, but they're for your spare time. During the day, you need to be learning and working.
Yes, V. Sorry, V. We'll take the building supplies right away.
Good. And no stopping for any spotting, okay?
We promise.
Let's ride the rail. Woohoo! Can't catch me.
Well, come on, Slowpoke.
Achoo!
Spotted you, Eddie.
Huh?
Oh, nothing.
Achoo!
Rockabye, Chatsworth. How are you, Chatsworth?
Exhausted. I've been rushed off my wheels all day.
Oh, dear.
Chatsworth to be. Any more work for me to do?
Not at the moment, Chatsworth.
Well, in that case, I think I'll have a little nap.
Line your car up under the chute, Owen, and let's get you loaded.
Aha! There's so much dust, and I've just had a lovely tug wash and my paintwork polished.
Calm down, Owen. The rocks won't go anywhere near you.
Are you sure? I don't want to tip my paintwork, dear.
Of course I am. Here we go. What are you doing?
I've had a much better idea. I'll have V send someone else. Bye-bye.
But Owen!
Destination Snoozington.
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Who's it? Not you! Woohoo! Chug, chug, choo, choo. Who's it? Not you!
Could you play somewhere else? I am trying to rest.
Sorry, Chatsworth.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Can't catch me! Watch me! Go, Koko!
Hurry up then, slowpoke.
Go, Koko! Go, Koko!
Oh, I don't believe it. Could you keep it down? I'm trying to sleep.
You won't catch me. This is about as much fun as having an elephant in your engine. Are your wheels washed with worms? Yuck.
Or your cap crammed with custard.
Ew, heavy yours.
Yet! Please? Ah, peace at last.
And it'll take me forever to get the grime out of my pressure valves as it is.
Oh, I see. Well, maybe I could ask Chatsworth. Chatsworth to platform 1.
This just isn't my day.
Couldn't help overhearing that you need someone who's not afraid of getting his wheels dirty.
Yes.
Then I'm your chugger.
Thanks.
Ooh, can I tag along, Harrison? Please? That would be the most fun ever.
I don't see why not. Always glad to give a young chugger the chance to learn from a master.
I'm here, V.
Oh, Harrison is taking that job now. But actually, I do need someone to do a run to Tootington.
Okay, V.
Whoa! What was that?
Breaking with style.
No, I meant...
you two.
Ah, Karen, load me up. Watch and learn, Wilson. Watch and learn.
What a day!
You have been running around a lot.
Yes, I'm surprised I haven't overheated.
All done, Harrison. Could you drop him off at the stoneworks, please?
It'd be my pleasure, Karen. Come on now, Wilson.
Harrison, did you hear that?
The countryside is full of strange noises. Nothing to worry about.
But it sounds like it's following us.
Peace at last.
Oh, it's good to take the weight off my wheels.
Oh, yes.
You won't believe the day I've had.
Really?
Well, it started nicely enough with a lovely chug wash and polish.
Uh-huh.
That Laurie is such a sweet girl. Then, out of the blue, V sent me to the quarry of all places. And you know, Chatsworth?
Actually, I'm really kind of
I'm
tired.
not one to switch tracks when it comes to hard work. But I think sometimes you have to draw the line. But I have to say that V was
Stop
so
talking.
understanding
No.
about it.
Please, please.
You didn't have to wait up.
Actually, I had just gone to sleep.
Oh, sorry, Chatsworth. Still, you'll soon drop out again. I know I will. Good night.
What the ratchets is that? Harrison? Harrison? Harrison!
What?
You are snoring.
Snoring? Don't be ridiculous.
Well, you were. And I'd be more than grateful if you would stop.
Snoring indeed. It was probably Owen.
It's going to be a long night.
What's that terrible noise?
Oh, no!
What on earth is that sound?
Time to wake up, Chuggington.
Ah, what a glorious day. I trust we all slept well.
No!
No!
No one got any sleep at all thanks to your snoring.
Chatsworth, how many times do I have to tell you? I don't snore.
I heard you. Snoring, fit to blast birds out of the sky and chuggers off the rails.
But don't be ridiculous.
Well, if you don't believe me, how about we go to the repair shed right now and get this thing settled?
All right, you're on. And while we're there, we'll get Morgan to check out your hearing.
Brakes in excellent working order. Primary suspension in excellent working order. Fault detected. Fault detected. Unidentified objects in drain reservoir.
What's it talking about?
Looks like you have rocks in there, Harrison.
I haven't been near any rocks.
Well, what were you doing at the quarry? Bird watching?
Come on. Let's get you on the rotator and take a look.
Oh, no. Will they scratch my bodywork?
Well, that will be the least of your worries if I don't get some sleep tonight.
Don't leave me.
I knew it. It was rocks. Wait till I tell Owen.
All done, Harrison. You can open your eyes now. I don't think you'll rattle anymore.
Thanks for being so gentle, Morgan. I'll go and tell Chatsworth the good news. Oh, Chatsworth, where are you? Ah, got it, yes.
I said you do everyone's work while they all had a nap.
Oh, haha. I suppose that's only fair, V. After all, I slept like a rock.
Yes. Harrison to platform 1. Hurry up, Harrison. There's a pickup for you at the farm after that.
Koko and the tunnel.
Wilson, Brewster, and Koko to the training yard, please.
Stop, chuggers!
Hey, does anyone know where this tunnel goes?
Emery said it went out of the city.
Ooh, I'm gonna ask V. But we need to make tracks, Koko. Dunbar's waiting for us. I'll just be 2 clickety-clacks. Koko to V.
Yes, Koko.
Can we explore the underground tunnel?
Not today, Koko. There are some important things to learn before you can go down tunnels on your own.
But where does it come out? How long is it? Who uses it?
All in good time, Koko. Now off you go.
Oh, okay, V. See you later.
Woohoo! It's training time!
Okay, young chuggers. Today, I'm gonna show you how to switch tracks.
But don't tracks switch on their own?
Yeah, they just seem to know where you want to go.
Only in the depot. Once you leave here, you have to switch them yourselves.
More things to think about.
I bet it's easy to do.
Easy when you know how. Okay, chuggers, drive forward and go right at the track split.
Huh? It didn't work.
Oh, I can't go right. It won't let me.
Why won't it move?
Because the switches are pointing straight ahead. Do you see how the arrow shows you which way it goes?
Oh, yeah.
Now watch.
How did he do that?
Well, you each have your own control inside your...
Dunbar, I need you to go out on a job urgently.
On my way, V. Sorry, young chuggers, we'll have to finish this later.
Let's work out how to do it by ourselves. Then Dunbar will be really pleased.
Yeah, great idea. Switch, move, over! Anything happen?
Nope. We have to find the control.
Must be one of these. Which one is it?
Maybe we just have to think really hard about moving it.
Yeah! Let's try that. This is riveting.
Well, do you have a better idea?
Yeah! I'm gonna explore that tunnel.
Honking horns! That's the craziest thing I've ever heard!
Who's coming?
Not me.
I didn't know you were such a scaredy chugger.
I'm not.
Scaredy chugger, scaredy chugger. Come on, Wilson. It'll be off the rails. A real adventure.
An adventure?
Woohoo! Okay, I'll come. Don't tell anyone what we're doing, Brewster.
Well, don't blame me if you get into carloads of trouble. Don't be long. Just a quick peek, okay? Oh.
This is so much fun! Let's ride the rails! Maybe we should go back now. No way! We need to see what's on the other side. Then we'll go home. Countryside? Wow! It's so beautiful. We must have come a really long way. Yikes! What is that? It's just a cow. Hello. Koko, we should go back now. But... Koko, you promised. Okay. Let's find somewhere to turn around. Come on. Bet you can't catch Koko. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. I want to go home.
Turn right. Turn right. Honking horns. Oh, this is hard. Hello, Peckham. I'm really glad to see your friendly face. I'm all on my own. Oops! But don't tell anyone, okay?
We can turn around here. Uh-oh. A switch. Heads turn the wrong way. Oh, bumpers. Why didn't Dunbar finish teaching us how to move them? Maybe. It'll move if I drive towards it. I don't think so, Koko. Are you okay? Yes, but I can't move. I'm really stuck.
Still no sign of Wilson and Koko. How long does it take to look down a tunnel? Yeah, you're right. Not long. What if something happened? Maybe I should tell V.
Maybe I can drive backwards through the tunnel and get help. No, I don't want you to have an accident too. We'll just have to hope someone comes soon. But nobody knows we're here except Brewster. And you told him not to tell anyone. I know. I shouldn't have done that. So what do we do now? If we hear anyone coming, we'll have to honk our horns loudly.
What should I do? What should I do? V, could you ask Callie to ride by, please?
Sure thing, Brewster.
Someone's coming! Let's honk! We're gonna be stuck out here forever. Like that chugger coming too! What's that?
Brewster said you went down the tunnel, but I never thought you'd be all the way out here.
Me neither. It's my fault. I wanted to know where the tunnel went.
V told you that you weren't ready to go down tunnels by yourself.
I know, but...
Didn't you think there might be a reason for that? Like it was for your own safety?
I get that now.
Come on, let's get you back on the track. Hold tight. Easy. Nearly there. Great.
Phew. Thanks, Callie. From now on, I'm not going anywhere until I know how to be safe on the rails.
Good, Chugger. Now let's get you both back to the depot, safe and sound.
You know, it really wasn't a good idea to go off like that.
I know. Sorry that I made you so worried. I'm lucky to have a train-tastic friend like you.
Well, someone's got to stop you going off the rails.
Good night, Chuggers.
Night. Good night. Night.
Sweet dreams.
Helpful Hodge.
Hello.
Hi, Koko.
I've done so many jobs this morning.
Well, when Eddie gets here, I'll be really busy, too.
Yeah, right.
Eddie and I do lots of jobs together, you know. We do.
How many will you do today, huh?
I don't know, lots.
Bet you won't do as many as Koko.
Will so.
Will not.
Will so.
I know. Let's have a competition. Starting from now, whoever does the most jobs today wins.
Okay.
And we have to keep it a secret.
I can't even tell Eddie?
No, that'd be cheating. He could just give you lots of jobs.
Well...
Ready? Go, go, go! Kill, kill, kill!
Passengers carrying larger items are advised to take care as they step onto the platform.
Yeah. There we are.
Huh? What's Eddie got?
It's an electric guitar, Hodge. Looking good.
Looks broken.
Yeah, but I'm gonna fix it. Forget oil can Eddie. I'm gonna be rock star Eddie.
But you are going to do other jobs today, aren't you?
Yeah, of course, Hodge.
Good. Back soon.
Da-na-na-now. Oh, that's great.
Hi, V. Anything for me?
Not at the moment, Hodge.
Oh.
Budge your bumpers, Hodge. I need to talk to V. I'm all charged up and ready to roll.
Sorry, Koko, there's still nothing for you.
Oh.
Goodness, you're all so keen today.
Oh, I just can't seem to get it in tune.
Come on, Eddie. There's work to do.
Yeah? Well, V hasn't asked me to do anything yet, and I'm kind of busy here, Hodge.
Ow! Eddie, that's terrible. I'll have to find some jobs myself.
Gotta get busy.
Hi, Irving. Any work for me and Eddie to do today?
Thinking. Nope, nothing springs to mind.
Oh. Has the leaf blower ever had a checkup?
Not that I recall.
Yay! I'll get Eddie.
Those wagons look heavy, Pete. Can I help you?
That's very kind of you, Yo-Yo. I am kind of puffed.
Job number 1. Choo-choo!
Oh! The blower's working fine.
Yeah, but if it goes wrong, it'll be our fault for not checking it.
Well, I suppose. You better get me some oil, Hodge.
Job number 1, here I come.
it's off to the lumberyard for me. Thanks, Jojo.
Why don't I go, Pete? Save your wheels.
Oh, don't mind if you do, Kiwi. I've been looking forward to a nice chug wash.
Job number 2. Choo-choo.
Here's the oil, Eddie.
Thanks, Hodge. You're being really helpful today.
Now to find job number 3. Chugga, chugga. Choo-choo.
There we are. That should do it. What?
Eddie, what's that?
Huh? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Why did I let you talk me into this?
Koko to platform 1, please.
Rivets.
Hi.
Can you do a pickup at the paper mill, please?
I'm on it, Fee. Choo-choo. Job number 3.
Oh, no. Koko's really busy. What about me, V?
Oh, nothing yet, Hodge.
I've got to find another job or I'll never win. Everything all right, Pete?
Yes, thanks, Hedgehog. Couldn't be better. Ha-ha!
Water warm enough?
It's not bad. Can't complain.
But not really, really warm?
Well, not really, really warm, but... youngsters these days, always in a rush. That should do the trick. Oh, that's great.
So, what's the problem here?
The water's not hot enough.
Okay, let me have a look. Yeah, there we are. Oh, no! Quick, Hodge! Get me some plumber's tape!
Yes! Job number 2.
Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Go, Koko.
You know, all I've done today is fix things that didn't need fixing.
Wait, Eddie, there's work to do.
Hey, you're right. This neck looks bent. That should do it. Hey, listen to this. Yeehaw! Oh, it's still out of tune.
Ow, Eddie, stop!
Hey, practice makes perfect, Hodge. You don't have to stay, you know.
You're right. I'll go somewhere else. I'll do some work on my own. Oh, that needs to be cleaned up for a start. Picking up scrap. That's job number 3 for me.
Approaching Chuggington Depot. Passengers are advised to block their ears as Eddie has fixed his guitar.
Go, Koko. Go, Koko. I'm so going to win this.
Come here! All right, if you're gonna play hard to get, here comes full magnet strength. Oh no! Eddie's guitar!
Hodge, what have you done?
Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Hey, Emery! I could take some passengers for you.
Thanks, Koko, but I'm fine.
Oh, Koko to V. Any jobs yet?
No, Koko. In fact, I think you're done for the day.
Oh, no!
Sorry, Eddie. Is it all right?
I think so.
Hey, how many jobs have you done?
Not many. I bet you won.
Won what?
We've been having a competition, but I've only done 3 jobs.
I've done 3 jobs too. That makes it a tie.
Oh, wait a minute, Hodge. You did 4 jobs.
I did?
Yeah, you fixed my guitar. It's in tune now. The magnet straightened out the neck. Listen.
Oh, yeah. Hey, That means I've won.
Good job, Hodge.
Hey, listen to this.
Ow, Eddie, that's terrible.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, race you.
Train-tastic. That's a competition I can win. Go!
Any requests?